In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Justmarkets account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you've been trying to find the option to delete your account inside of Justmarkets, don't worry, there isn't a option. I've checked myself and I've went on the forums and all that stuff, and there's no delete button. But the best way to delete your account is basically, I found this help article inside of Justmarkets. So the right to erase your So users can ask to delete or remove their personal information in certain circumstances, such as if we no longer need it or if they withdraw their consent, provided that they have no legal obligation to retain that data. Now, to make these requests, we have to email support@justmarkets.com. So basically what we want to do is open up your email client, and then from here, basically for the subject, we want to go ahead and put in request for account closure. Then we need to go ahead and get their email, so chuck their email in their recipient field. And then from here, now basically you want to write something similar to this. So this is just a small script you can copy and use. So you want to say, hello Justmarkets support team, hope you're doing well. I'm writing to request the permanent closure of my Justmarkets trading account. I no longer wish to use this platform and like all associated accounts under my profile to be closed. So from here, you want to put in your full name, your registered email address for Justmarkets, and your trading account number if applicable. And then please let me know if you require any additional information or verification from my side to complete this request. Then basically put in your full name at the end, even your phone number, and then click send. And then give Justmarkets 24 to 48 hours to get back to you to help closing down your account.